Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we will discuss about SQL Alter Statement, and let me also tell you that this is the second last video of our this SQL course. In the last video, upcoming last video, I will tell you some of the important concepts related to SQL, and I will also tell you that which database you should use for your next application, okay, and which server you should use for your next application. So this is the second last video of your this SQL course. You have learned all of the basic and core functionalities of SQL Server, SQL concepts, and you can also apply these SQL concepts with any database. You can apply with SQL Server, you can apply with MySQL, MS Access, or PHPMyAdmin. All of these concepts are same with the little bit syntax modification, okay. So first understand what is SQL Alter Statement. The SQL Alter table statement is to alter the structure of table. Basically, if you want to add some columns into your table, or if you want to remove some columns from your table, or if you want to change the data type of a column from your table, you should need this alter statement. So let's say first look what we have in our products table. So let's start from products, execute this one. Look at this, we have this product ID, product name, then category, then price, and then quantity. Let's say I wanna add another column in the products table, and the name of this column is sales price. This is the purchase price, and I wanna add another column of name sales price. So I will write alter, then table, and then I will specify the name of table products, and then I will write add. You can also drop some column. So I wanna add column over here, so I will write column, and then I will write name of column as sales price, and then I will write the data type decimal 18,2, okay. So if you execute this one, we're getting error on this column, so wait a while. So I think this might be the syntax of you can say we should not write this column keyword over here, so remove this one. Alter table products, and then add the new column name, and then the desired data type, okay. So if you execute this one, look at this command completed successfully. Now select all from your table, and look at this, we have this new column in our table. You can also remove column from your table. Let's say I wanna write alter table products, and then I will drop column category, okay. So if you click on this one and click on execute button, so I think I should write column over here, drop column category, look at this command completed successfully. If you execute this one, we don't have any category column. So this is the alter statement. You can create add new columns in your existing table, or you can remove columns from your table, and you can also change the data type of your columns using this alter statement. So I think this is enough for SQL concepts. The purpose of this SQL course was to teach the core basic functionalities, core basic concept for SQL, because SQL is the one you will always need, whatever language or technology you are using for your applications. Might be you are using Angular, Android, or web applications, or desktop applications, or mobile applications. This is what you will need all the time with your application, because this is the perfect storage for storing database, and most of the databases are SQL based, okay. So they understand SQL, structured query language. So I have explained and teach you everything you need to get started with SQL databases. So we'll wrap up this course in the next video. So I'll also teach and discuss which database you should use for your next application. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.